This is Abdul Kashmil, Class CIS 220, Data Structure and Elementary Algorithm, and this is Class 7 assignment. For this assignment, we're supposed to create a tree for family tree for Theodore family, and this is the tree. So these are parents and linked to him, and they have children. So this is a child. This is a child to these two, and this is a child to this one, and so on. And these are like wives, so they share the same child. So first, we couldn't use the old or the ones that you used previously, the linked list, because it only has next, so we can't really have multiple nodes connected to single one. So I had to check for something else, and this is what I found. I can have a list of children that has only one parent. Now I tried changing that, but it didn't work for me. I keep running into errors. I tried to make this as a list so that they can have multiple parents, but was just too hard, and I couldn't really figure out how to change this code. So for this code, we have also the data type. So I can just put a variable, and then I can just name them later. For example, here I made them all strings. So to get back to this, first this contains the data, and this is in case I want to add a child using another element in here. This is like use a parent and add the child to it. This is in case I want to add data to the child. That is just data, just a string. This is used to get all the children, all the data of the children, or children of parent. This is to get the data, to set the data, and set the parent for a children and get parent for a children. Now to do it first, I had to identify the father and the mother, which are Henry VII and Elizabeth of York, and then I identified the wife 1, child 1, and then I added that child to the list of children of this wife, so it became a father to it. And so as for wife 2 and wife 3, the same thing, add their child and make them make the wife 3 as a parent. Now when it comes to the king, which I considered Henry the 8th, so first I added a parent, which is the added as a child to the mother. Then I added as a child to the father. I had no problem with that. It shows as a child to both. However, when it comes to checking who's the parents, it only shows the last one. I can't add multiple parents. Then I added the children to him, which are also the children to wife 3 and 2 and 1. So, and then last, I added an extra list, which is the wives. I just added that separately. I didn't know how to link it to the other. And this is just to print my code. Let's run it. So when you see the code, children of Henry the 8th, the 7th, it's Henry the 8th. Same for the Elizabeth, is Henry the 8th. And children for Henry the 8th, it's the 3 children. And children for 1, and children also 1. Second wife, third wife also has 1 child. When it comes to the wives, we can see the this is a different list that's not connected to any, but only connected to him. And also this last code is to show the parents of Henry the 8th, which is Henry the 7th, and I couldn't add more parents to it.